We are going to start by making the magic ring. Now let's work 3 chains. Now inside the magic ring, let's do 11 double crochet, totaling 12 points with the initial currents. After working all the points, close the ring, cut the wire, as we are going to change color. Finish with tapestry needle or a slip stick on the second double crochet. To start the second round, I tie my needle twice. Entry at any of the points. I am looking for thread. I hold the excess wire and make a double crochet. Here in the same space, I will make one more double crochet, totaling 2 points. Double crochet for each base point. This way, we will have 24 points. Again, cut the wire, and I'm going to finish it with the tapestry needle. Now I will tie the needle 3 times. Enter at any point. Secure initial wire left over. I will lace and pull out 2 or 2 straps 3 times, forming treble crochet. Loop for 2 times. Come back to the same space and work a more treble crochet, totaling 2 points at the same point on the base. At the next point, we will work 2 treble crochet, 2 double crochet at the same point from the base. Now we will keep working 3 double crochet. 1 point for each point. First point. Second high point. Third high point. At the next point, we will work 2 double crochet. There will be 2 double crochet at the same point on the base. Then I will tie my needle twice. And here at this next point, we go to work. 2 treble crochet, just like we did before. After doing the 2 treble crochet, let's work 2 chains. And here in the same space, let's do 2 more treble crochet. It will stay that way. At the next point, we will make 2 double crochet. 2 double crochet at the same point from the base. So here, we will start repeating. And we will continue making 3 double crochet, being 1 point for each point. In the next point, let's work 1 double crochet increase. Then it will be 2 points at the same point as the base. Now I will do 1 fan of 2 treble crochet, separated by 2 chains. Then I start doing 2 treble crochet, here at the same point on the base. Then I work 2 chains. I come back to the same point and do 2 more treble crochet. At the next point, I will do a double crochet increase. Then I work on 2 points at the same point on the base. And let's carry this repetition all around. Now I will do 3 double crochet, 1 point for each point, and so on. Ready staff. So here I finished the 3 double crochet, 1 point for each point. At this next point, we are going to do the double crochet increase. And here's where we made the initial 2 treble crochet. We will complete finishing this fan we made at all ends. So I'm going to tie it twice. Come back here in the first point and work 2 treble crochet. I make 2 chains. And now I can cut the yarn and finish it. I can also finalize with a slip stitch on the second double crochet. This is the result of our crochet piece today. This square and crochet is super simple and also very beautiful, that you can be using in clothing. Also changing the width of the wire. Hope you liked it.